click the bell. I'm gonna do that 5 seconds subscribe right now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. I hope you guys subscribe. You guys don't subscribe, wait here. That's all day for you guys to subscribe right now. Or you do subscribe? Say again. Make sure you do subscribe. Okay. And you know how me follow me right here on Instagram. Follow guys. Follow me. And let's start this cooking. Started. So yeah, that's right here at the board to cut. The knife. We need a knife. We need 2 eggs. And we need this right here. Sorry about the background. Tell my mom. And yeah. And yeah, so before we cook, make sure to wash your hands. I already washed my hands, so the first thing you need to open is to cut flavor. Yeah, let's cut it first. Don't take forever. Oh, we're gonna do 5 guys, so let's keep that up there. The knife guy, it don't matter which way to cut it, so wait, here, let me cut this first right here. Guys, it don't matter which way to cut it, so I'm going slow too. I don't want to mess the thing up, guys. So either go slow or go fast. You just see the thing right here. Done cutting it, guys. Here, let me show you. See? Let's turn this halfway on. Wait, hold on. Oh, no, wrong one. So that after this, because after you turn it on, that's we need to add order right here. That don't add a lot, add a little bit. Let's open this up. And add a little bit. Let's back up guys before we burn out. Burn myself. And don't add a lot, a little bit. That's like this. So yeah. Oh shoot! Sorry about the background noise. Yes, after that, we need that this toothpaste. Ready? And let's add that in here right now. So make sure add this right here more. And let's add this right here. But that this like spoon or something. Don't drop with those. Let's back up guys, don't bring yourself. Let's add a little bit more low. That low. Let's move that low. Let me do this off camera, I'll be back guys. You see I already added that. I dropped 2 pieces, or not 3 pieces. And let's do the A right here. Now let's move this. The whole shit is burning. Don't burn it guys. If you could burn some pieces burn, it's fine. I'll get that out. Don't burn it like it does, so have your mom help you or somebody help you. Let me add it a little bit low. Or let me turn it off and turn it back on. Like that way. So yeah. Yes, it's done cooking.
You want cereal? Siéntate acá. Sammy, ¿le das poquito cereal again?
Yeah.
Te quedas con las cosas. tío.
What?
Que lleva tu tío.
And it's time to eat this. Yes, I'm add plate two on this, so you don't have to add salsa with two. Yeah, that's how you hear my food. But the teal does. Let's try this. I hope I cook it good. Yeah, let's try it on first time. The tortilla and the teal. That's not bad. It's good. That's and I have my soda right here. Cheers. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace out and see you in the next video. Cheers.